Baking is an important family bonding ritual. It gets everyone together. Everyone has a role to play. It's fun and it creates memories.
We are called the Blakistani family, which is half Pakistani, half Jamaican. We always cook from our cuisine, Pakistani dishes, Jamaican dishes. Dessert, we like to make British baking, which brings us back to our 90s days.
Not only is it fun for me and Asia, but also for the kids. They enjoy it, they love the taste. We get the strawberries, wash them, cut them, put them into the pot with the water, lemon, cinnamon, sugar. Get that to boil and that smell nice in the kitchen. It's an excuse to get together and do something.
I love that fact that this ritual involves all 5 of us in the kitchen. Seeing that jam just splatting out, that's when you know you're baking in the kitchen, when the strawberry jam drops everywhere.
And once that's kind of cooled down, then we start to pour it into our little jam pots.
Jam jars.
Yeah.
So our youngest son, Noah, he has autism. He's had problems with connection with food from a very, very young age. We've tried our best to build that connection with his food, and our first ever time that we did messy food was with strawberries and berries, which is amazing because this whole ritual actually brings back amazing memories for us.
There's so many benefits of making your own jam. You know, you're making memories, you're having fun with the family.
There's no routine, we just go with the flow and enjoy it.